Welcome back to AZE English Listening Practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today's topic is booking a hotel room, a very useful skill for travel.
That's right. When you travel, you often need simple English to ask about rooms, prices, dates, and hotel services.
In today's episode, we'll listen to two conversations, one between a guest and a hotel receptionist, and another between two friends choosing a hotel together.
After each conversation, we'll explain useful vocabulary and give you simple speaking tips.
I remember the first time I booked a hotel in English. I didn't know words like single room or double room.
Same here, and I wasn't sure how to ask about breakfast or check-in time.
That's why this topic is so useful for travelers.
You only need a few simple phrases to communicate clearly.
Phrases like, I'd like to book a room. How much is it per night? Is breakfast included? What time is check-in?
These are very common questions in hotels around the world.
And the more you practice them, the more confident you'll feel when traveling.
All right, let's listen to Conversation 1.
Good evening. Sunrise Hotel? How can I help you today? Hi, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please. Of course. What dates are you looking for? From June 12th to June 14th. Let me check. Yes, we have rooms available. Would you like a single room or a double room? A double room, please. How much is it per night? It's 70 euros per night, and that includes breakfast. Great. Is Wi-Fi included too? Yes, Wi-Fi is free in all of our rooms. Perfect. And what time is check-in? Check-in starts at 2 p.m. Okay, that sounds good. I'll take the room. Wonderful. Can I have your name, please? Lena Hassan. Thank you, Miss Hassan. Your room has been booked successfully. Great. Thank you very much. You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you.
This was a very realistic hotel booking conversation. Clear, simple, and polite.
Exactly. Lena used useful travel phrases like, I'd like to book a room. How much is it per night? Is breakfast included?
These are very common questions when booking a hotel in English.
First phrase, book a room.
To book a room means to reserve a room at a hotel.
Next phrase, per night.
That means the price for one night at the hotel.
Another useful word is included.
If something is included, it is part of the price.
For example, breakfast is included.
And finally, check-in.
Check-in is the time when you arrive and receive your hotel room.
Download today's vocabulary PDF in the description for extra practice.
It includes all the important words and example sentences from this episode.
Booking a hotel alone is one thing.
Now let's listen to two friends choosing a hotel together.
Emma, did you find any good hotels for our trip next month? Yeah, I spent almost an hour looking last night. I found a few interesting places. All right. The first hotel is pretty cheap, and the location is good, but honestly, the rooms look really small in the pictures. I don't want a tiny room again. Last time we could barely open our suitcases. Exactly what I was thinking, and some of the reviews said the beds weren't very comfortable. Yeah, maybe not that one then. What about the second hotel? The second one looks much nicer. It's a little more expensive, but it has a pool, free breakfast, and bigger rooms. Oh, that already sounds better. How much is it per night? Around 80 euros per night for a double room. Honestly, that's not bad at all. That's what I thought too. And the hotel is really close to the city center. Nice. I don't want to spend half the trip on buses and taxis. Same. According to the website, it's only a 10-minute walk from most of the tourist places. Perfect. Does it have free Wi-Fi too? Yep. Free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and even a small gym. Wow. Okay. This hotel is definitely winning right now. I know. The reviews were pretty positive too. Most people said the staff was friendly and the rooms were very clean. That's important.
Clean rooms make a huge difference. Exactly. Oh, and breakfast is included in the price. Even better, free breakfast always saves money during trips. True, we can spend more money on activities instead. All right, I'm convinced. Let's book this one. Perfect. I'll make the reservation tonight before the price changes. Good idea. Hotels always get more expensive closer to the travel date. Exactly. I'll send you the booking details later. Awesome. I'm already excited for this trip. This conversation showed how to compare hotels using simple and natural English.
Exactly. They used useful words and phrases like cheap, expensive, and close to the city center.
These are very common expressions when talking about travel and hotels.
First word, cheap.
If something is cheap, it doesn't cost a lot of money.
Next word, reservation.
A reservation means a hotel booking.
Another useful phrase is city center.
The city center is the main part of a city, where many shops, restaurants, and attractions are located.
And finally, per night.
That means the price for one night at a hotel.
Download the vocabulary PDF in the description to review all today's words and expressions.
It includes examples from both conversations.
Practice asking simple hotel questions, like, is breakfast included? What time is check-in?
And practice saying dates clearly, like from June 12th to June 14th.
You can also record yourself speaking to improve your pronunciation and confidence.
Now tell us, what hotel service is most important to you?
Share your answer in the comments.
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to AZE English.
See you in the next episode.